Our company has completed various turnkey projects in different parts of the world. This project was carried out in the southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Due to the presence of stones in the soil and plant roots, a special machine was used in this project, and special mills were used to remove lime in the soil. 300-ton presses were used in this project. This production line automatically produces bricks. 4 presses were planned in this production line. 2 presses were installed in the first phase. After production, they were transferred to a tunnel kiln without the need for a dryer. The first production was the standard Indian brick with 4 faces, with a production capacity of 8,000 first-class bricks per shift.